Welcome to the haunted Tiki, where the torches never die. Raise a mug beneath the moonlight, watch the restless spirits fly. Every drink's an adventure, every night a mystery. Step inside if you dare. The haunted Tiki. 40 years of chasing whispers, searching truth where shadows creep. Not every story earns believing. Some are buried far too deep. Your guide through the unknown. The original Tiki Goo.
Welcome back to the Haunted Tiki, my friends. This episode is number 3 of our Ghosts and Spirits series. So far, so good. Hope you guys are enjoying my content. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to discuss regarding the paranormal, please leave it in my comments or PM me. Tonight I wanted to do a big shout out to those on YouTube. You have influenced me to start my own show. I'm constantly watching these guys do what they do best. I love watching these guys. It's part of my everyday thing, and Mrs. Goulet is a little like, you watching them again? It's one of those things. So I'd like to give a big shout out to Matt Marble from the Spike Breezeway Cocktail Hour, Anders Eriksson, Rob from Rob's Home Bar, Leander from the Educated Barfly, Derek from Make a Drink, Arminder from the Rome Revival, and Luis Fernandez. I will leave a link to each of their channels in the description below. Please go check them out and subscribe. You will learn a lot, trust me guys. In our last episode I mentioned hauntings and mirrors in Waikiki. Throughout history and folklore, mirrors are considered powerful, mystical objects. Portals for spirits, traps for souls, or tools for serving. Cultural traditions often involve covering mirrors to prevent deceased spirits from being trapped or returning to haunt us, especially during mourning periods like Shiva. While many believe them to be conduits for malevolent entities or ghosts, others use mirrors to ward off evil, such as the Chinese Bangwa mirror. I owned a haunted mirror at one time. I remember a friend of mine wanted to get rid of this thing. She said her dogs were afraid of it. Mind you, her dogs were some pretty big dogs, like pit bulls and rots. We went to the garage where she kept it covered up with an old blanket. Her dogs followed us into the garage. When she uncovered the mirror, her dogs took off running back into the house. I ended up taking the mirror and putting it inside my bedroom. It was a cool looking mirror. Glass was oval and the mid-century frame was black. I remember rearranging my room with my back towards the mirror. I felt this horrible dread of like this weird feeling. I felt this overwhelming feeling of turning around and looking at the mirror. I turned and looked at the mirror. There was a solid black figure with no facial features or eyes standing in the reflection. As fast as it appeared, it moved to the left and disappeared. Has anyone ever experienced anything like this? I would love to hear your experience. You can PM me if you don't want to talk about it in the comments. On that spooky note, let's get into our first drink of the night. Tonight, guys, I am making the Aurora Borealis. Created by Jeff Beachbum Berry. This modern tiki cocktail originally made its appearance in Berry's 1998 Beachbum Berry's Grog Log. The Aurora Borealis is an original creation by Berry that fits into the space age tiki era. This tiki cocktail is also Berry's version of the Fern Gully. We will be needing half an ounce of coconut cream, half of an ounce of fresh lime juice, always fresh, 1/4 ounce of orange juice, 1 teaspoon orgeat, 1 ounce dark rum, 1 ounce Puerto Rican rum. Blend with 1/2 seconds at low speed. Break out the trusty plastic blender from Hamilton. Total of 15 seconds. On low. Seconds. Be pouring this into a glass. Perfect. Topping it off with some crushed ice. Plenty of ice. And we garnish with pineapple chunk and a cherry. I happen to like these cherries. I mean, not the good cherries, but these would do. This is the Aurora Borealis. Let's try this sucker out. Well, that's good. Ooh. Strong. I am tasting the Hamilton pot still. It's very strong in this drink. I don't know if it was the right choice, but it tastes pretty good. Yeah, it's a strong drink. It's good though. I like it. I like strong drinks. Mrs. Goulet, would you like to try this?
Sure.
What do you think?
Ooh, strong. Strong.
That's a
But
strong
it's good.
drink, but it's really good.
It tastes.
Wow. Have you guys had the Aurora Borealis before? Aurora Borealis. That's the name. Kind of a funky name. Try to say that pretty fast. Aurora Borealis. That's very good. As a bonus drink tonight, we'll also be making the Fern Gully. Named after the famous scenic rainforest gorge in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. The specific creator of this drink is not widely documented, appearing in cocktail literatures as a representation of a late century tropical almond forward tiki drink. It fits within the category of sweeter, creamy tiki cocktails, often served at venues like on Tiki. It is a 1970s style tiki drink, often shaken with ice and served in a tall glass. We'll be needing 1 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of dark rum, 1/2 ounce of cream de noyo or amaretto, 1/2 ounce of cream de coconut, 1 ounce of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, fresh. We're going to be shaking all the ingredients with crushed ice and straight into a wine glass. I did it for 10 seconds. Pour into a wine glass. It's me a lot of ice. Add ice to fill. Gotta have that ice. Garnishing with a cherry, pineapple, and lime wheel. That's pretty cool. Check it out. Little skull guy. Little jalapenos. What's up, dudes? What's up? And the lime wheel. And there you go. This is the Fern Gully. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's not bad. Not a bad drink. I think I would add it a little more rum to it. That's me personally. I like my drinks bougie. You know what I mean? That's probably also why Frankie's in Las Vegas is my favorite tiki bar, because they know how to make drinks. Not bad at all. I'm going to ask my beautiful wife, Mrs. Goulet, if she'd like to take a try. Would you like to try, babe?
Yes.
Give it a try. Let me know what you think.
I actually like it. I actually like it.
She likes it. She likes it. You guys remember that commercial? She likes it. Mikey. Hey, Mikey. She likes it. It's actually pretty good. That's good, guys. Give it a try, really. If you guys don't have Beachbum Berry's Grog Log, which if I was here, I have no idea where it's at now. If you guys give it a try, get the Grog Log, try these cocktails. They're really, really good. Definitely old school. Jeff Beachbum Berry did a great job revamping these. Very good. I like it. I like it a lot. Well, my friends, that is it for this episode for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for joining me for the 3rd episode of Ghosts and Spirits. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for future content. And as always, stay spooky, my friends. Catch you next time.
Welcome to the haunted Tiki.